Today I'm vacationing at my son's house in Connecticut, and well, next week we're going to be in Sarasota, Florida at my cousin's place, and I think another 2 weeks or so I'm going to be at my daughter's house in Seattle, Washington, actually Fox Island, Washington. So I thought I'm going to create this video today to explain to you how I got into YouTube. And do you want to get into YouTube? Stay with me, that's what we'll talk about. Few years ago, I decided to retire. Not early, but at just the right age. And I was thinking of going to the Philippines, enjoy the Philippine Islands, learn a little bit of what I missed since I was 20 years old. So, away I went with no plans of getting into YouTube. Now, I asked myself, do I want to renew my CPA license in the Philippines and continue practicing accountancy? Or, not continue, but reactivate my background in accountancy? Or should I get into real estate? Because that is exactly what I was doing during the terminal years of my working life. I said, no, I don't want either of the two because that requires some commitment. I said, I just want to retire and enjoy myself. And I love taking pictures. That used to be my hobby when I was in high school. And so I did not buy a camera yet. I already had a movie camera. I had a still camera. I had my cell phone, of course, which you can use as a camera. So I said, oh, what am I going to use? So I started getting into YouTube and researching. And I found this gimbal, which is amazing. It stabilizes the picture. No jerky motion in the picture because it's attached to a gimbal. So I said, I like that. That's interesting. So I bought one. Then we went to New York and tried it. Oh boy, it was fun using it. And I attract attention because people look at these things and say, gee, what is that guy doing? But I didn't mind, so I just took pictures. No voice whatsoever other than the voice in the background and myself speaking occasionally. So when I came back to Philadelphia, I viewed it and said, oh, that's interesting. And I said, okay, now how do I upload this into YouTube? Because I used to use YouTube years ago when I was in real estate. And there was no money involved. It's just I use it for advertising my real estate practice. So I said, how do I do this again? Because I forgot. So I started loading it up. Okay, I was able to do it. I continued watching YouTube periodically. And then I found out that, oh, YouTube would compensate you for this. I said, gee, how do you do that? So I learned the process of how you can get monetized. And I said, I wonder how long it's going to take me to hit, let me see, 10,000. I think it's 10,000 subscribers or so many views per month. So anyway, since I learned that, I tried it. And of course, my first posting was my trip to New York. And I didn't know anymore as to what to do, what to create, and so forth and so on. So I even showed, I think that was my next video, how to clean like a magic silverwares. And I posted that. I'm not getting too many hits. So I said to myself, I wonder how long it's going to take for me to get monetized at the rate I'm going. Then I hit, ooh, do you hear that? Oh, thunderstorm. Thunderstorm. It's raining heavily here in Connecticut. So anyway, going back to the topic, I hit one topic, and that is retirement. As soon as I published retirement, my subscriber base just climbed up. I was getting thousands of views, and I was amazed. In fact, I called my wife, take a look at this, look at what's happening, because you can see it on the YouTube dashboard, the performance, the number of subscribers, the number of hits, the number of views, and so forth and so on. I said, wow, that was the first time I specialized in retirement, because I did a lot of research before I decided to retire. So I learned a lot, and in the process I said, I think I would share this with other people, and it gained a lot of popularity. But how much can you discuss about retirement? And I'm talking about the legalities, how to apply, why you should not, advantages, disadvantages of retirement. By the way, if you're new to this channel and you're seeing this and you're interested in that, just click on my channel and you'll be able to see it. Okay, the different playlists that I have focusing on retirement, Medicare, which is very important, or medical insurance, I should say, what you should use in the Philippines. That is what I became interested in. Now, here's the feel that I had initially, and that is, I was embarrassed. I didn't know how to act. I didn't know how to talk. But I was able to overcome that very quickly. So a lot of you will have hesitation initially because you don't feel like talking in public speaking, and maybe talking to yourself in front of the camera. But you will see in the original videos that I have that I had some hesitation. Now it's second nature. You will be able to get over that. But the hardest thing is how to start. Get started, do it. Now, am I doing it for the money? No, I'm not. Of course, it's nice to have that benefit. But I'm actually doing it to share the experience that I have and help other people. That is my primary interest. Whoa! Did you hear that? That's amazing. Anyway, enjoy the thunderstorm. It's happening here as we speak. So that is what I got myself into. And now, every time, the other thing, by the way, is I said, gee, I'll be traveling and I'll be taking pictures. I might as well post this and share it with my relatives. No intention whatsoever of doing it on YouTube. But again, YouTube sort of got me into this. So, if this is something you're interested in doing, there is some initial investment involved, but many times, just to get started, you don't need anything. You can use your cell phone to take video shots to begin with. Maybe you invest a little bit in a stand so you can take a picture of yourself. And of course, many people have computers nowadays. You will need a computer. I needed a software. And by the way, for the software, I used Corel Video Studio, which is a small investment, about maybe $20 to $50 one time. A lot of the services now, you have to use them not periodically, but continuously. And as you use them, it's subscriber based. You have to pay them monthly fees. Corel, I buy it one time. Later, maybe after 2 or 3 years, I want to upgrade, buy another one. Again, I wait until, for example, it's 2023. When 2023 comes out, the 2022 software comes down very cheap, and that is what I buy because there isn't much difference from 1 year to another year. So that's how I got started. And today, I have all kinds of equipment. I have a gimbal. I have a small pocket camera that I use when I am traveling, and I'm enjoying it. That is the important thing. I am enjoying it. And I have no fear about speaking. Actually, my problem right now is sometimes I run out of topic. And I say, oh, gee, what is going to be the next topic? So guys, I'll appreciate it if you click down below, insert in the comment section what topics you would like to hear. Of course, I may not be able to accommodate all of you for time reasons or for reasons that is not my expertise. So, if you're thinking of doing YouTube or wondering what YouTube is all about, try it. Just try it. Doesn't cost much. Just try it. And you can never tell if that becomes your retirement business. And it's a business I truly enjoy because I don't have to make videos week after week after week. There are times when I do videos maybe 2 times a day, or at least 1 time a day. And there are times when I slow down because I'm traveling. Like when I was in the Philippines, I had a problem with the internet, and that's going to be a topic for another day. And so you can adjust. You can adjust your lifestyle and how busy you want to be, or how much you want to enjoy life as opposed to YouTube. But I do enjoy YouTube immensely. First of all, because I'm helping other people. Secondarily, well, it's extra money for retirement. I don't have to do this, but I'm doing it because I enjoy the interaction. Not only am I sharing what I know, I'm also learning a lot from the comments that you guys post down below in the comment section. So again, don't be shy, don't be bashful, but be polite, and let's make sure we don't use vulgar words, because that will automatically be deleted by YouTube. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope this thing helps you in the future, that it comes out into something for you. And I'll appreciate it if you click like, and please do subscribe to my channel unless you have already done so. Thank you so much. Make it a great day, and God bless.